Hi, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. Twitter recently added a feature that allows you to schedule tweets. We're going to show you how to do that and talk a little bit about the benefits of scheduling tweets. So let's get to it. First, you open up a tweet composition box, and you'll notice at the bottom next to the emojis is the new Schedule a Tweet button. And I have to say that this is only available on the desktop. As of right now, it is not available on the mobile app. So you click on the scheduling icon and the schedule window will come up, and it gives you the date and times that you can schedule your tweet, and it goes as far out as 2 years. You can schedule a tweet, and it gives you a confirmation of when the tweet actually will be sent. So you pick your date and time, click confirm, compose your message, and click on schedule. You'll get a confirmation, and that's all there is to it. And then you just go through that each time you want to schedule a tweet. And if you want to edit those scheduled tweets, you open up the composition box again, and now at the top right you'll see unsent tweets. Click on that, and it will open up this window that shows you your drafts and your scheduled tweets. So you can click on the actual tweet to edit it or add some more features. We'll go back to unsent tweets. And if you want to delete any tweets, click on edit, and then you can select the ones you want to delete, and of course click delete, and that will clear your tweets. Click done and the back arrow, and you go back to your composition. Now, what are the benefits of scheduling a tweet? Well, you can target your audience when they are active. You can batch your posts for an upcoming campaign. Scheduling your tweets are good for SEO as it drives traffic and keeps your posts recent and relevant. And of course, this saves time. You can set up your posts for the week and be done with it, move on to other tasks. But scheduling your tweets is not set and forget. You have to keep in tune with what's trending each day that might affect your post. Okay, I hope this helps in explaining how to schedule a tweet and the benefits of scheduling your tweet. Thanks.